How's it going, guys? Back at it with another video. Today is Friday, September 13th. The market was extremely choppy on my end. Remember, I took 2/3 trades, depending on how you want to look at it. I'll explain them. So first, I come in, I see TNON, same stock from yesterday. Somehow it's fucking made its way up to $129 in the pre-market. Somehow that happened. Nobody can tell me how. So I see that. I'm like, all right. Then it pulls its way all the way back. And I'm like, all right. I see it at 8:30. I'm like, all right, cool. It has room to run just to get the view up. It's $10 a share. I'm like, all right, cool. I take a small position here before the market opens. It squeezes up. I get filled at $11. I add to my position at 13. It halts on its way up. Well, it halts here. Comes back. I add to the position. Hard ass rejection. Drop. Ends up going all the way down to 864. I had to stop out for a loss. I let it go down a little more than I needed to. Now it's back up. Looks like it's pushing up higher again. I'm done with it for today. I'll come back and study it later on and see what I could have done better. I guess I could have took the profit. I was up close to $200 right here. It's cool. It happens though. I also traded ATPC. So I'm down. I took 2 trades on this. So I was in ATPC and TNON at the same time. I was green on both of them at the same time until TNON when turned against me. So I hop in ATPC right here. I get filled at 250. It pushes up to 295. I sell. I set a limit order to sell at 290. It drops down. I go pay attention to TNON, so I miss all of this. I come back after losing on TNON. I make $100 on this trade. I go from up 100 on this, up almost 200 on TNON, to down on the day from a big loss on TNON. So I come back. I'm like, should I turn the computer off? Am I done for today? I'm like, let me see how much I made on ATPC, just so I can see like how red I am. I can just do it quick. And I look at it. I look at the chart. And I'm like, it keeps coming down and touching this level at 236. I was like, all right. I didn't spend that much money on TNON. I still had money in my account. I'm like, all right, what do I need to do to get green or get even on the day? So let's get neutral. So I look, I'm like, all right, I can afford to buy a decent amount of shares of this. I could have bought more, but I didn't want to like over trade because I was going to catch this as it was coming down. I was going to try to catch the knife. So I was looking for a fill at about 236. It didn't get that low. I got filled. I pressed the buy market right here. I got filled at 249, close to my same entry on the first time, but this time I have 400 shares, and I was looking for. I had a limit order set at 288. I ended up canceling. I ended up canceling the limit order because I was like, man, I seen it squeeze up, and I was like, all right, cool. I'm neutral again. Like I'm neutral on the day, and then it squeezed up, and I went from down a couple $100 to green $20 or something. I was like, don't give us a chance to flush on you again. So I canceled the limit order, sold a third of my shares right here, and left a little bit left just in case it squeezed up some more. It started getting choppy again. I'm like, take it. I hit the flatten button, got out, ended up green $8 on the day, or $9 on the day, which beats being red 200 plus something dollars. So today was very choppy, but I was impressed. I was able to get myself out of the hole that I put myself in. But looking back at it, I would have been better off if I just took one good trade on ATPC, got green, and then finished for the day. So that's what I learned. I need to just focus on the best trades. I figured ATMON was going to be choppy and a little deceptive, but I was like, there's a chance, and I would have been more upset if I didn't buy any shares and it went up to 20 or 30 or $40. I'd have been more upset with myself. Then I'd have been like, oh man, I could have been in, da 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 da. I took a small position. What I shouldn't have done, I should have got exited when I was up, or I should have not added to my position and just let it ride. Or looking at it again, I know there's a lot of ors, but this is how I get better. This is how I learn. So looking at it, it ends up dropping to 864 now or somewhere. Where is it at? Where is it? 8 something. Ends up dropping to like low nines and pushing its way back up to 11. Like I'd have been better off just catching it down here, or trying to catch it down here from like 9 to 11. That's a $2 move. But hindsight 2020. I went 3 for 5 on, well, yeah, 3 for 5 on green days on the week. This one's super small. I learned some valuable lessons this week trading. If I had to give the week overall, I would give it like a C. Like there was some good executions and there was some really bad executions. This one was bad. The one yesterday was bad. ATPC was perfect. There was another one on Monday I think was perfect. So getting better, getting sharper. And that's all I can say. Hopefully you guys, make some money today. Don't lose too bad. Cut your losses when you need to, and study over the weekend and come back ready for Monday. The market's giving us opportunities. We just have to capitalize and get rid of all the little extra errors, and we'll be straight. That's it for this video. I'm out. Please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you know anybody else to trade, send this video. I'm documenting the whole process. So I'm out.